Welcome back to the channel RV enthusiasts and travel trailer aficionados. Today, we are crossing the Atlantic to explore a fundamental question that has been stirring up the global camping community for years. Why exactly do European caravans consistently seem to outclass their American counterparts when it comes to interior design, luxury, and sheer innovation? If you have ever felt that North American travel trailers can sometimes feel a bit uninspired or stuck in the past with dark woods and cramped layouts, get ready to have your perspective entirely shifted. Today we are taking a deep and comprehensive dive into a machine that perfectly encapsulates the European advantage. Allow me to introduce you to the Fendt Tendenza 650 SFD. It is the absolute largest model in the esteemed Tendenza lineup. And by the time we finish exploring its pristine, spa-like interior, you might just find yourself browsing international shipping rates and dreaming of a completely different kind of mobile living experience. Before we step inside this rolling palace, let us talk about the pedigree behind the badge, because the name Fendt carries serious weight across the pond. If you are unfamiliar with the European RV scene, you can think of Fendt Caravan as the Winnebago of Europe, but with a distinct flavor of modern luxury. This highly celebrated manufacturer has been in the business of crafting premium campers since 1970. Their expertise is not just theoretical, it's backed by massive production milestones. Back in 2001, they celebrated their 100,000th unit rolling off the assembly line, and by 2019, that number skyrocketed to an astonishing 250,000 units. Over the decades, they've scooped up a mountain of prestigious industry awards for their relentless innovation. All of that hard-earned engineering know-how, that half-century of refining the art of mobile living, has culminated in the creation of the dual-axle Tendenza 650 SFD that we are examining today. From the outside, it presents a clean, aerodynamic, and thoroughly modern European silhouette. But it's the raw dimensions that truly set the stage for what is inside. This substantial dual-axle trailer measures an impressive 28 feet in length and 8.2 feet in width. That footprint is absolutely crucial because it grants the interior designers at Fendt a massive canvas of floor space to work with.
What they have done with that space is nothing short of remarkable. Instead of feeling like a traditional camper, the interior of the Tendenza 650 SFD genuinely feels like a high-end Class A motorhome or a luxury boutique hotel suite on wheels. The magic begins the moment you walk through the entry door and step into the forward lounge area. Fendt has managed to create a space that is flawlessly pristine and incredibly inviting. You are immediately greeted by a massive U-shaped dinette surrounded by large panoramic windows on three sides, flooding the space with natural light. Elegant fabric drapes frame the windows, while recessed LED lighting is perfectly integrated into the corner shelves. The seating features plush, overstuffed fabric backrests that invite you to sink in and relax. But what truly elevates this lounge is the cabinetry. Fendt utilizes a seamless, cabin-like overhead storage design finished in a creamy wood veneer that looks completely devoid of harsh angles or cheap hardware. Sitting in this lounge makes you feel less like you are camping in the woods and more like you are relaxing in the first-class cabin of a private airliner. Of course, this massive seating area easily converts into a spacious secondary bedding area, but it is the sheer aesthetic execution that makes it a true standout feature. Moving toward the center of the coach, that gorgeous sweeping cabinetry styling seamlessly extends into the kitchen area. Here, Fendt has crafted a beautifully modern culinary workspace. At ground level, they provide a completely flush countertop by utilizing sleek glass covers over the high-end three-piece gas cooktop and the deep stainless steel sink with its polished, residential-style faucet. It looks incredibly clean and minimalist when not in use. But eagle-eyed viewers might immediately notice something missing from the main kitchen block. Where exactly is the refrigerator? This brings us to one of the most brilliant layout choices in the entire trailer. Fendt strategically relocated the massive tower refrigerator to a central pillar situated directly adjacent to the main entry door. This is an absolute stroke of genius. Not only does it free up valuable prep space in the main kitchen area, but it also means that if you are relaxing outside under the awning, you can simply reach inside the door to grab a cold beverage or a quick snack without tracking dirt and mud all through the pristine interior.
That central pillar also serves a dual purpose, acting as the mounting point for the entertainment system. The television is mounted on a clever swivel bracket behind the fridge wall. allowing it to be perfectly angled for viewing from the forward dinette, or swung around to face the master bedroom. Speaking of the master bedroom, the layout here is something you rarely see executed this well in a mid-size travel trailer. Fendt has implemented a highly coveted east-west bedding arrangement situated right in the middle of the camper. Usually, an east-west bed can make the interior feel incredibly cramped, completely choking off the hallway and making it difficult to navigate from the front to the back of the RV. However, Fendt engineered a brilliant solution where the mattress can easily slide up and retract slightly during the day. This simple but incredibly effective feature opens up a massive walkway, completely eliminating that claustrophobic feeling while still providing a full-sized, ultra-comfortable bed at night. The bedroom continues the opulent design language with that creamy wood veneer, soft ambient LED lighting, and elegant drapes. It is a space that feels incredibly soft, serene, and perfectly designed for lazy mornings watching the sunrise through the large opposing window. Finally, we arrive at the absolute piece de resistance of the Tendenza 650 SFD, the rear bathroom. In many travel trailers, the bathroom is an afterthought, a cramped plastic closet that you only use when absolutely necessary. Fendt completely flipped that script. By placing the bathroom at the very rear, it spans the entire 8.2-foot width of the RV, creating an environment that genuinely feels like a high-end spa. It features a massive, residential-sized shower stall, complete with a premium glass door and a luxurious multimodal rainfall showerhead. The vanity offers more sweeping countertop space than you might find in many stationary apartments, paired with excellent storage and a perfectly positioned toilet that offers plenty of legroom. It is the ultimate luxury touch that makes off-grid living or long-term camping feel completely uncompromising. Now, you might be looking at all this European luxury, the high-end finishes, the dual axle stability, and the brilliant space management, and bracing yourself for an astronomical price tag. This is perhaps the most shocking part of the entire Fendt equation.
The manufacturer suggests a retail price of around $49,800. However, the European RV market is highly competitive, and brand new 2026 and 2027 models are currently sitting on dealer lots, with asking prices hovering right around the $44,500 mark. For less than 45 grand, you are getting an undisputed masterpiece of design and comfort that puts many trailers twice its price to absolute shame. The Fendt Tendenza 650 SFD is a shining example of why European caravans continue to captivate the global market. It is elegant, it is incredibly smart, and it is built by a company with over 50 years of proven excellence. Thank you so much for joining us on this international RV tour. Let us know in the comments if you would trade your current rig for this European beauty. And as always, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the most fascinating vehicles on the planet.